In this video, I will show you how to make money from YouTube by creating Minecraft videos with artificial intelligence, and without using any program. Let me quickly explain to you our steps in this video. First, we will go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us information about unknown things. Here, you can use your creativity to create the largest structures, etc. in the world. Then, I will give you information about how you can find Minecraft videos. Then, I will go to the video editing site called CapCut and upload the Minecraft video we downloaded. While doing this, I will upload it to the 11 Labs site. We will voice the text we created from ChatGPT here. Then I will show you how you can edit and download the video on the CapCut site. Now, let's get to work. First, we went to the ChatGPT site and asked it to create some stuff for the video we were going to make. Yes, he prepared some content that we can use in the video. Now let's see how we can find royalty-free Minecraft video. From here, we select the Creative Commons option from the filter section. You can choose any of these videos and download these videos. Now we go to our site called CapCut and upload this Minecraft video we downloaded here. We will find a beautiful place from the video and put it in the video. I liked this part of the video. Since we will produce videos in vertical format, we set the ratio to 9:16. I'm making some color adjustments now. Now we copy one of the text we created. You can change the font of our text as you wish. And I add shadow. I add animation to our text. Now we will dub our video. For this we go to the 11 Labs website.
Phenomenon. This is the phenomenon where you learn about something new and suddenly you start seeing it everywhere. It's also known as...
We upload the sound we created here. Now we will add automatic subtitles to our video. You can create beautiful videos and start earning money by making other clips from the video we downloaded.
The borderline phenomenon. This is the phenomenon where you learn about something new and suddenly you start seeing it everywhere. It's also known as frequency illusion or recency illusion. Uncommon things. This is the phenomenon where you learn about something new and suddenly you start seeing it everywhere. It's also known as frequency illusion or recency illusion.
Now I will add an effect.
Uncommon things, part 1. The borderline phenomenon. This is the phenomenon where you learn about something new.
And we record our video. We have come to the end of our video. If you want to see more videos like this, do not forget to like my video and leave a comment. Editing education videos takes a lot of time. Do not forget to reward me for my efforts. Goodbye.